Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate X6 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your hotspot. To get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, and this will bring down a bunch of toggles, which one of those will be the personal hotspot toggle, which you can see right here for me. Oops, I just activated dark mode for no reason, but in any case, once you see this toggle, you can hold it and this will take you to the settings. Now if you don't see it anywhere here, you will need to click right on this button, click on the plus, and then find it from this list and just click on the plus next to the icon that you want to add, which you'll be looking for something that looks like this, and then click on the check mark and it should be visible in the list. Anyway, like I was saying, let's hold this toggle. This will quickly take us to the settings, and the reason you want to navigate in here is because of this option right here, so the password, which is randomly generated by the device. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and it can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter. Click on OK. It does tell me that password that I chose is simple, so is my memory, so I'm going to use it anyway. So there we go. We have now a different password that we set up ourselves, and whenever you want to enable your hotspot, just find the toggle and connect with the set password. Now, because hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, it is recommended to try to remember about it so you can turn it off once you're done using it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.